Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Government of India has banned 118 more apps recently, which also includes PUBG Mobile and PUBG Mobile Lite. And today in this video, we will show you the 5 best PUBG Mobile alternate games, which I personally like a lot. No doubt PUBG Mobile is the best among the other Battle Royale games, but as it's banned in India, so we wouldn't recommend you guys to play it. Instead, you can check out these games which are on a very similar platform. So the first game we have in our list is the Free Fire. Few years back when PUBG Mobile was not available on mobile, I used to play this game. Since then, this game has improved a lot. It's not exactly as refined as PUBG Mobile, but you will have a very good experience playing this game. There are a lot of options and modes as well in this game. The graphics and gameplay is also pretty decent, but you will take some time getting used to of killing someone, as it doesn't have that PUBG real feel. Free Fire offers different modes which you can play in solo or squad mode. And guys, in my opinion, this is the game which is very close to PUBG Mobile when it comes to the gameplay and experience. So do check it out. Next we have in our list is the Call of Duty Mobile. Call of Duty Mobile is one of my favorite game right now, which I play most of the times. I personally prefer this game over PUBG Mobile due to different game modes and experience. So in this game you have the Battle Royale mode as well as some other modes such as 10 vs 10, Deathmatch and so on. The graphics are amazing and the gameplay is one of the best, or you can also say very similar to PUBG Mobile. And guys, as you play this game more, you will unlock famous characters, weapons and outfits. Overall, with amazing graphics, gameplay and control, Call of Duty is the best alternate to PUBG Mobile right now. And we highly recommend you to download and play this game if you haven't already. The next PUBG Mobile alternate game we have is the Pixels Unknown Battleground. So as you guys might have noticed that the name of the game as well as look and feel is very similar to the PUBG Mobile. So in the game, you jump on an island from a chopper and collect loot and hunt down your opponents like any other Battle Royale game. Looking at the graphics and gameplay, it's decent and based on pixelated theme. Apart from that, the controls are simple and you can also customize your characters with skins. The main difference in this game is the auto shoot. So you don't get the shoot button in this game and you auto fire when you aim at your enemy. This game is pretty basic and I've also tried this game in some low end phones and it worked perfectly. So overall, if you're looking for a quick battle royale action, then do check out this game. The next game we have in our list is the Battleland Royales. We have featured this game in 2018 when it was launched, and even at that time, we find this game really interesting and addictive. Now 2 years later, there are a lot of improvements and we like this game even more. So the theme is same as other Battle Royale game where the last man standing wins the round. But here you fight with 32 other players in a very short 3 to 5 minute battle. You get this top camera angle which is little different, but you'll get used to it after some time. The aim and shoot mechanism is also different and you have to aim and shoot from the right controller on your screen. The graphics are good and I like the overall gameplay of Battleland Royales. And like other Battle Royale games, you can play this game in solo or squad mode. Overall, Battleland Royales is a polished mini Battle Royale game which you can play anytime, anywhere for a quick round or two. So do check it out. And the last game we have in our list is the Rocket Royale. Rocket Royale is a different kind of Battle Royale game where your main goal is to build a rocket and fly away from the island. In order to do this, you need to collect crafting material from the falling meteors. The gameplay looks good and the graphics are also pretty decent. The layout is very similar to Fortnite, and in the game, you also have the option to collect wood and build a fort to defend your position. This game offers solo, duo and squad mode up to 3 players, and they are all real players. Talking more about the gameplay, it's quite smooth, and we have also played this game in a low-end phone where it performed pretty well. Overall, Rocket Royale is a nice and a unique battle royale game which is also a good time pass, so do check it out. So that's it guys, these were the best 5 alternate games to PUBG Mobile. Let us know if you like any of these games, and also do tell us your favorite battle royale game in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.